What is up, YouTube? It's me, Tommy, and I am back again on some Outbreak. Last we've done an Outbreak, we've done Below Freezing, we've done the Hive. The last two we have left are Hellfire and Decisions. So we obviously doing Hellfire. We will continue to be old Kevin because he's Kevin. Look at Kevin. I've already done this before. Oh yeah. Anyways, gonna be Kevin. Continue to be Kevin.
Yeah.
And yeah, we'll just keep on going. Don't look at what I'm gonna select because you know what? I don't care. We's at the Apple Inn. Earlier that day,
Hey, is anybody there? Len, you take downstairs. What's that? It's gonna blow! Get out!
I guess that don't look like it was a good thing. All right, people, we back. We on that Resident Evil. We got a map. Shit just went down. We're in the courtyard. I can hear liquors. Who's this? I got it, David. Corpses pinned the door shut. Well, let's move that fool.
Oh,
Go in here and see what's up. All right.
Hey you! Huh? What? No shit.
He finds a radio, and that's the first thing he does. Talks all crazy. Oh, did you find yourself a shotgun there, bud? You just picked up a shotgun?
Don't know what to do.
Come on!
Right.
not a problem.
Hey there.
Here!
Lens ID tag. I got this from a firefighter, but it says Lens. Let's go. Alright. Wait, I should probably have my gun ready because there's liquor. Okay, you can't go that way. Can't go that way. So that's a given. Oh man, I love this game, but the load screens can be so freaking slow. If only they weren't slow and someone just edited them. Dang it, get down, stupid. You can get that? Alright, cool, you can have it. Alright, let's do this. Dun dun. Tom Cruise is this guy. Kevin. I think it breaks. Hey, good for you. Oh, Kevin. God, I wish they'd remake this game. Capcom, the fans want it.
Come on!
Yes.
Thanks! Come on!
Flame come out. There it is.
Here!
Brace yourself.
You tell me what to do.
Come on!
You'll make it. That flame shouldn't hit you. And if it does, then shit.
Why?
Come on!
Oh my god. You better not get freaking wrecked by that. Okay, whatever. Get wrecked, son.
Come on!
Right.
Nope. I was gonna say if this is platform like runs that way, you wouldn't necessarily fall off. Save them ass cheeks. Whoa. There's a zombie. Nice. I want to say this scenario you have a lot of running around and stuff. There's a lot of running around you do. Gander's daily report. I remember we bring. It's calling about the new type of card key with all the rooms. Numbers unlocked. Outdoor should be leaving pain. Todd left the card key in the bathroom. Photo. He's even embarrassed. He sure can be a jerk. So the janitor knew something was going down. I need those rounds. Oh wait, that's the map. Let's see. Here, you want this gun? You want this ammo? Take the ammo, silly man. Take the ammo! Dude, take it. I wasn't trying to use that. Wait, I guess I could combine it with that herb in there. Just in case. Okay, let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Oh man, there's a battery in here? Get the battery because David can like MacGyver all sorts of stuff. And load screen. Okay. Here's an herbal essence. I don't want that.
Idiot.
Load screen. What we got here? Is this another tag? We not talking to almost breathing anymore. He's not breathing.
He's not breathing. Oh god.
Come on!
No.
Get a drink. Holding me back. I was getting some fluids. All right, here we go. It's such a good game, but for fudge sakes, why the loading screens? Why so many? Okay, let me see. There's a fire over here. Okay, what we got in here? Red herbage. Typewriter out here.
Why?
Nice.
I think so.
Good job, Kevin. I made stairs. Andrew Evans. JIA, Miss Annabelle Lowe, BAE. So, There's more than one. I wonder if I'm gonna have to remember that. Oh crap.
Come on!
Yes.
Oh look, there's Yoko.
Hey!
Hey there.
I don't need that. E. Whitman. So GGF. Ha! Dope. Well, open it. What's in here? Silver key. I don't want the battery. You can take the battery, MacGyver. Why couldn't the doors open like this? Why? 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 That's all that they had to do to open the doors was just do that. Okay. There's a licker. I can hear it. It's right above me, and I just went to my map. At the owner's room. I did not need to come back in the owner's room. Oh my god. Okay, here we go. We are back in here. I'm gonna kick it. Okay, I'm not gonna kick it. I'm just gonna run. What? There's a gold relief on the doorknob. Oh my god, I did the freaking map. The silver key. Okay, so I've been everywhere down here. I do need to go back in the owner's room. Son of a bee sting. Okay, so I guess we're... Go back up here. You just have to climb, David. You just have to.
I think so.
Come on!
Never.
Have I been in here? Nope. What we got? No, I don't need that. Nothing in here. Wait, there's another place. That room down all the way.
Hey!
What?
Come on!
Idiot.
Get off me. Oh, mother. Busted cap. Well, I think I got the card key. No, not the map. There. Better let me in this room. Oh, look, it's Yoko. Where have you been, Yoko? Oh, you've been collecting
May I
stuff.
have it, pretty please?
This is it.
Let me give you... Fake lens tag. You got Yoko how to escape the ladder. I'm pretty sure it's the first aid spray. Why have you not collected that, Yoko? Why are you not doing your job, Yoko?
Hey,
Jewel. Yoko, you just jacking everything. A lot of random back.
hurry up. Oh my god.
Have I been in here? Loading. Second floor, yeah.
Did you find anything?
First floor, yeah. Oh man, there's a
Hey.
huge fire down here. Oh really?
Did you find it?
We have to get out of here. Oh cool.
Oh my god.
I was like, what's the point of letting me come this way if I can't go anywheres? Okay, let's see. Can't go nowhere there. Let's go. Leave that zombie there.
Yes.
Come on!
Keep using the map. Okay. Load screen. Whoa. Oh, now I'm back to the beginning. Okay. Gotta backtrack. Gonna hurt me.
Is there no way to open this?
Oh my god. I got a silver key and a gold key.
Did you find anything? Oh my god.
What's in this room?
Did you find it?
All that for acid rounds. Picking the shit out of a door for acid rounds. gonna say I missed something. Really?
Is there no way to open this? Oh, excuse me. Oh my god.
The iron pipe.
Did you find anything?
No, I
Hey,
didn't.
hey.
I think I need to go back to that one room. Go back to that one room where that little bust was, the hole in it. What was it?
I was thinking.
There's a picture with a switch.
Come on!
Yeah.
Come here!
I wonder if David is still alive. Had a grenade launcher. Where did she get it? Crawl through the hole, buddy. Oh man, there's a zombie. God dang it, man. Alright, caution, let's do this. Shotgun rounds, I ain't got a shotgun. Oh crap. That's third floor.
Stop!
Hey Miyoko.
No.
Can't
Is
even
there
get
no
in
way to open this?
Because I was thinking there's something I'm missing in here. You.
Oh
Well.
my god.
All that for that. Let's see. Okay. Now I gotta go find this freaking jewel. Okay, well while there's no zombies around. I need to go back upstairs to one of these rooms. That room right there. That room.
good here.
Oh my god, am I bleeding or am I in danger? Haven't been in here.
Did you find
It's flimsy, but I ain't gonna see it. What do you got? You got anything? Any health items? I'm in bleed, fool.
Did you find any?
I picked up a lot of stuff.
I hated having to manually reload. Oh my god. He's gonna grab me, I'm gonna shoot him.
Don't give up.
Shut up. Go upstairs. Okay, let's go back upstairs.
Excuse me.
The matter of fact. The hell's David at? That dude's been lost for a while.
Oh my god.
There's a fire in here.
Did you find it? Stop!
It was a locked door, eh? All this backtracking. Oh, that. There's a red jewel. Ho, 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 ho. Let me give her. Let me present her with the silver key. Give me this red
Did you
jewel.
find anything?
Because I'm gonna assume that goes in that freaking statue. Yeah, that's the back. There's grenade ammunition for your grenade launcher that you had to get, that I didn't get. Okay. Ooh.
Oh,
Go in here. Go this way. Like, oh man. I can't stress how much, I enjoy this game, but this loading kills it. Go there. Okay, lounge stairs. We're on the 3rd floor. Go down to 2. Hit him with the razzle dazzle.
oh my god.
So this is security office. Okay, there's a first aid spray right here. I'm gonna bust this bitch open. All right.
I found it. There.
Why would there be a secret
Yeah?
door leading to the front lobby of
Is
your?
there no way to open this?
You know what? Well, do you got a shot? You got 2 shotguns? Girl, you put that gun down. Why the hell are you putting the gun down? Okay, so how am I supposed to turn the power on? I got the gold key. I was supposed to use this gold key. I never used it.
No.
Whee. Ooh. This door, yes.
Yeah.
Found it. Okay. Wrap. Oh, okay. That was easy.
Did you find it?
Find it.
May I have it, pretty please?
This is it.
May I have it, pretty please?
This is it.
Yeah, thanks. I mean, I don't know why you have two of them. Okay. Now I can go drop the ladder. I drop the ladder. Oh, this fucking back trace. Oh, this is going back. Oh, I went in the wrong room. Everybody go back.
Listen.
There's a shotgun. Where's the owner's room?
Hey,
Go to the security room. That's what I've been trying to do. Okay, here we go. All this back tracing, just going back,
Here it is.
back and forth. Backtracking, tracing. All this backtracking, that's what I'm doing.
Did you find anything?
A lot. Because I don't know what I'm doing or what the hell to do. Okay, we should be in the hallway. This way. Wait. Oh, that is. I was like, this is it. This ain't security office. I was
Idiot.
thinking of the entrance from the other side. That entrance. Okay, let's go. He's got the first aids.
Oh,
Let's go.
never.
Why?
Anything?
Are you being a douchebag, David? Finally. What is that zombie doing in the vents? I always thought it was weird that they used the freaking suspended as the boss battle.
Brace yourself.
It's literally just a freaking liquor. Oh. See? Simple. Just a liquor. Or a zombie in the process of turning into a liquor.
This is it.
Come on!
Go.
Anyone!
That was close. It's not just the hotel. Now the whole city is burning. You were lucky.
Thanks. You too.
We've been patrolling the city, trying to help those in need, but it's worse than a war zone. The army's been called in. Better get out of the city while you can. I have a very bad feeling you will always be with me. I hope you find peace.
There it is.
At this time, I was still optimistic about my chances, thinking about how lucky I'd been. But maybe that was just my brain's way of keeping it together. How pathetic.
This is the beginning of the end. I admit that music's pretty badass though. I like it. To be continued. ... And there you have it. That was Hellfire. It says it right there at the top. That was Hellfire. If you like what you saw, go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, do all that cool stuff that helps a brother out. And I will see you, or hopefully I'll get to see you. Or I won't get to see you. I don't know. Hopefully I get to see you the next episode. I don't know what I'm talking about. Anyways, see you later. Peace.